It's a very good news, my brother, for all XRP holder, but definitely the current condition is a very bad now. So therefore, my brother, I have one good news and one special news, my brother, for all of you. Not bad, just an only very special, and absolutely, if you follow what I tell you, I hope you never lost and you will be get a very good profit now. So first of all, my friend, as you can see here, I already opened it the last 3 days chart, and this 3 days chart, my brother, is giving you a very information if you just and only focus now. So focus, my brother. First of all, we need to predicate this coin. Please, my friend, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon. Please, if you subscribe, so absolutely you never miss our update, and every tech channel will guide you, update you every day. So my brother, in the start of these 3 days, as you can see, my brother, they will moving in normal condition, not good, not bad. But my brother, after this, you can see here July 28, you can see here they will take a very huge jump now and moving in upward direction, but they will again falls down to July 29. But again, my friends, they will moving in the same conditions. That's mean, my brothers, to XRP, one of the stable coin, and they cannot fail us down very fastly, they cannot move upward very fastly, they just only moving in slow speed. And absolutely it's going to be very good now, because my brother, I know, my brothers, to they will do it now. So XRP holder, remember, my brothers, to upcoming time, absolutely, my friend, XRP time is coming soon, and you need, my brothers, to hold it. Otherwise, absolutely, you also lost now and you cannot get a profit, they cannot make you a millionaire. So kindly you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, the XRP price will be increasing in upcoming days. Just in only, my friends, we need to search more and more about that, and because this is very good, my friends, for holders now. So XRP holder, one thing I want to share, my friend, with you. So this time you can see a 7.85% profit, and definitely if they will get a 20% profit in 24 hours, so they will give you, my friend, a very good profits now in upcoming time. So kindly holder, please remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.